Hey there, welcome to this channel. My name is Kezia, and today I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the signs and symptoms you tend to notice when you've got hay fever. Now, with hay fever being caused by pollen, you have to get substantial amounts of the pollen deposited in your ears, nose, or eyes before you get these symptoms. Now, the symptoms are pretty much clear. Now, your first and foremost symptoms is the sneezing. So you begin to sneeze once you got into contact with pollen, sneezing, there's coughing, and then you begin to feel that burn in your eyes, your nose, or your throat. The itchiness starts to come, itchy eyes, itchy nose, itchy throat, or itchy ears. Now, because our eyes tend to be itchy, some people rub it and you end up with the reddish eyes. Now, histamines, which is produced as a result of pollen being entering into your bodies, increases your mucus production. So the increased mucus production and thickening of this mucus will lead to the blocked nose and the runny nose. Now, there are sinuses over your face. Now, if there is mucus, increased mucus production all over your face and nose and ears, you tend to feel that heaviness in your head. So that tends to give us people the headache, that pain at the sides of your head. For some people, they even feel like their eyelids are so heavy and they find it difficult to sleep.